Check out this hard case from BRDRC. This thing is for your Neo if you have the DJI Neo, but this thing is really cool, great handle, and even has a spot for a strap on the side. Opening this thing up, you can see it's got a really nice like top to it, nice material on the inside, keeping your Neo safe, plus a nice foam top here. Really nice, solid hard case. So a great spot to put your controller in and put your Neo in. You can see it's going to really take care of it because it sticks, it doesn't stick out, it sticks down. And then a spot for your battery pack, or if you have even more batteries, you could throw them individual ones here. So all in all, I mean, it's a great case. It looks really sleek. I love how thin it is. Like, it is very thin, easy to transport, and easy to keep your Neo safe and all the accessories. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.